Hello, today we are gonna talk about community engagement frameworks. We should cover 3 different models that companies use, build and maintain strong community relationships. The key idea for today is building strong community relations starts with a clear plan. So, what is a community engagement framework? A community engagement framework is a structured approach for companies to plan, execute and evaluate their efforts to connect with and support their communities. It provides a roadmap for how to connect effectively, so what you're doing is well organized, impactful, and sustainable. Using a framework gives you several benefits. Number 1, consistency. It ensures that community engagement plans are aligned with your company goals and values. Number 2, effectiveness. A structured approach helps you identify the most effective strategies and actions. Number 3, measurement. It provides clear criteria for measuring your engagement efforts. Adaptability. A good framework can be adjusted as community needs and circumstances change. There are several popular frameworks that companies use for community engagement. Let's look into 3 of them. First, we have the IAP2 spectrum of public participation. This framework, which is developed by the International Association of Public Participation, outlines 5 levels of community involvement. Inform, providing information to help the community understand issues and solutions. Consult, getting feedback from the community on decisions and plans. Involve, working directly with the community to ensure their concerns are considered. Collaborate, partnering with the community in decision-making processes. And finally, empower, giving the community final decision-making power. This spectrum helps companies decide on how much involvement the communities should have in certain situations. Next, we have the ladder of citizen participation. It is created by Sherry Arnstein. This model is visualized like a ladder with 8 steps, each one representing a different level of community power. Step 1. Manipulation, non-participation where community involvement is just a formality. Step 2. Therapy, also non-participation where engagement is about curing or educating the community. Step 3. Informing, providing information without seeking feedback. Step 4. Consultation, asking for feedback but not necessarily acting on it. Step 5. Placation, community feedback is considered, but final decisions are made by the company. Step 6. Partnership. Shared decision-making between the company and the community. Step 7. Delegated power. Community has some decision-making power. And the final step is citizen control. Full decision-making power is given to the community. This ladder helps visualize the degree of community power in the engagement efforts and decision-making. Another useful model is the community engagement framework developed by Ahmed and Palermo. This framework emphasizes the importance of understanding community needs and building trust through continuous interaction. It involves the following steps: understanding, learning about the community's needs and issues, then building trust, establishing trust through transparency and honesty, interaction, engaging with the community through various forms of communication, and sustainability, ensuring that engagement efforts are ongoing and adaptable. This framework is useful for companies that are looking to build long-term relationships with their communities. Choosing the right framework depends on several factors, including your company's goals, resources, and the specific needs of the community. It is important to be flexible and ready to adapt as circumstances change. That's it for today's lecture on community engagement frameworks. I appreciate you being here, and if you find the course useful, please rate it. Remember, using a structured approach can greatly enhance the effectiveness of your engagement efforts. In our next video, we shall discuss how to develop a community engagement strategy, so stay tuned. Thank you for joining and see you in the next video.